August 29, 2021, Hurricane Ida made landfall in Grand Isle, causing damage to the already eroding coast of Louisiana. Grand Isle is the only inhabitable barrier island off the coast of Louisiana and acts as a speed bump to many hurricanes. As a result, organizations such as BITNEP, the Barataria Terrebonne National Estuary Program, and CPRA, the Louisiana Coastal Protection and Restoration Authority, are constantly at battle with the never-ending erosion of Louisiana's coast. BITNEP is part of the Clean Water Act funded by Congress and maintains 4.2 million acres of land between the Atchafalaya and Mississippi River down to where freshwater meets saltwater of the Gulf of Mexico.
Our mission is to provide and make sure that we have clean water resources for habitat, for human activity, business, residential, industrial, and that we are helping to restore and enhance the natural habitat and environment. A number of projects that we work in conjunction with the Coastal Protection and Restoration Authority, the CPRA. They are doing the major, moving dirt, dredging, building barrier islands, this type of thing. Where we come in is to layer on top of that. We grow a lot of the native plant species and woody species that thrive in that environment and hold everything together. That's the constant race, with Mother Nature.
The program lead of CPRA stresses the importance of maintaining the infrastructure of barrier islands such as Grand Isle.
These islands then are finite. There's only so much sand that is there in that system. And over time, as the waves continue to work on it and sea level continues to rise and land continues to sink, the islands get less and less sand. More and more of that sand is sort of lost from this system, this barrier system. They form that, what everybody sort of terms as that first line of defense for storm. And they really on a day-to-day basis form sort of the separation between the estuary and the open Gulf.
So what we are doing right now is in Elmer's Island, which is right adjacent to Grand Isle. A lot of progress was kind of swept away by Hurricane Ida. So we've been doing the monitoring of the bird population, see how they were affected. We are doing plantings down there. And just as it's a grim task, but we also go down there on a weekly basis with a team of people to remove debris so that the habitat can at least once be unspoiled.
According to CPRA's website, Louisiana will spend $1.28 billion on hurricane protection, coastal restoration in the fiscal year 2023. CPRA currently has 39 active projects in construction in the South Central region to rebuild the land that is being lost. You can join BITNEP and many other volunteers in rebuilding the coast at www.bitnep.org.